nigga to him, yeah. Turning my tracks to control out, ran the corner, drift, yeah. Left hand on steering, right hand with the black while I'm perfectly shift. Look like I came out the Fast and the Fury. The 4 on the race and the line of leg geek. Tapping my gas at the red light, yelling who on the race. I got a bag full of headband, finish most of the face. And if I'm hating, but it ain't no pressure like all of my ties, no. And they keep watching me, I'm finna bury the folks in the Taj mode. YouTube, what going on? Fashion, a few back with something new. Hey, I see what going on, man. The Daytona. Hey, man, I'm back here with my boy UHH Lifestyle. Yeah, I mean, y'all follow my boy, man. 392 strap on the RT, man. Yeah, I mean, y'all see what my boy did. Y'all see what my boy, I mean. Yo, we finna get a little nighttime P.O.V. head to the city, man. Downtown. My boy say he know a little spot or a little parking deck. So we finna go post up, yeah, I mean, make a couple real. Make this video look good. I got the flash on, but it's dark out here, man. Y'all see the blue Daytona, man. Daytona blue, man. My baby. Yeah, man, we finna go wash them up right fast, man. Then head downtown. We finna head to the parking deck, show y'all some content. Get some highway footage too, man. Get my boy some highway footage. I'm gonna let him get me some highway footage, man. We gonna show all that. Yeah, I mean, y'all wanna see it from both ends, yeah, I mean, both POV. Make sure y'all follow my boy UHH Lifestyle. I'm gonna have his tag in the description, so yeah, I mean, y'all can see both of them. But finna go ahead and crank me up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. YouTube, we back. I mean, parking garage. Y'all see Daytona. Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on.
Yeah, make sure I go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. UHH Lifestyle, man, on the road to 1,000 subscribers, yo. Go.
But on the road, it's 100,000. I mean, no, yeah, that went on the road to 1,000 subscribers, but then that went on the road to 100,000 subscribers. You know what I mean? That coming next. You know what I mean? At a later date. Get my boy to 100. I mean, to 1,000. You know what I mean? Then we'll talk about 100,000. Hey, man, and I don't even know what mine is, but y'all get me up there, you know what I mean? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know what I mean? If y'all messing with the channel, make sure y'all tune in. I'ma start dropping consistently. My boy said he gonna get on me, man, cause I first was getting in it, and I'm like, hey, man, I'm gonna jump out with. Now, man, we jumping straight in, man, onto my head first, all 2024. On the way up here, man, a couple niggas downstairs looking crazy, like they breaking in cars. I mean, you know, I got my hand on me, so I'm just peeping the scenery right now, but boy, hitting the tire. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey, Tony. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Yeah. Hood crazy. Yeah, man, y'all know SRT Hood coming soon, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, that's in the works, so just stay tuned to that, man. SRT Hood coming soon. Matter of fact, I was just looking at him, and he was just telling me about the fiberglass one and the aluminum, the metal ones, you know what I mean? But the metal ones that I was saying, the scoop is this way, you know what I mean? It's facing that way, you know what I mean? Facing me. I want the one facing out, so the air will come in. It makes sense. And then when I looked up under it on the picture, it didn't even have the little air box part, you know what I mean? The air duct that goes straight to the cold air intake. So I was like, man, that ain't even really, you know what I mean, functional. So I'm gonna get the one that shoots straight in, so that air comes straight through there. So y'all stay tuned to that, man. I'm gonna do the whole installation. I'm gonna do all that. So y'all see how it is right now. Y'all gonna see how it look when I put that on there. But hey, man, what we doing? What we doing? Matter of fact, we finna put some little reels together, you know what I mean? Try to come up with something, get creative out here. So y'all just stay tuned to that too. We're gonna have the shorts and all that, the shorts for YouTube, the reels for Instagram. We're going TikTok, we're going Facebook, we're going everywhere with it, man. All 2024, man. We taking this bitch up to the moon. Where the moon at? Hey, man, the moon ain't even not here. That how far we taking that bitch. We taking that bitch up there. Hey, man. All right. Nephew. Scat pack, Hellcat, Tread Hawk, taking over the city. I don't give no fuck about no what the engine. All I ever wanted was a Hemi. Started out with a Fashion, but next year 392. Look like a pit on the chain when I'm burning my tires, and I'm feeling they motherfucking loot. Came through, engine cracking and fired the back of a shout out like SICD. Screaming, yes sir, had the one like him, and like spinning this shit just like SIC Bree. 4-1 rate, tell them big 5 by, get the 4 down to the deadline. If you don't get no fuck by no bedtime, fishing out for the street in the red eye. Look, 0 to 60, I do it 2 seconds. On here between cars, it ain't no second guessing. 275s on my tie, that be catching it. Big, get it sliding, I bet I won't wreck it. Like a up top nigga with them Timbos. How your nigga fuck with them Brumbos. Shit, 7 8, 92 feet, high, stay 10, so full speed when I come around the corner. Drift off the motherfucking X.